Wilson Electronics, the leading provider of quality signal boosters and antennas for cellular phones and data cards, answers the growing need for cellular signal boosting anywhere with the Mobile Pro cell phone signal booster. Distance, as well as hills, trees, and buildings, all interferes with the quality of the cellular signal between the phone and a cell tower. Wilson Electronics Signal Boost Mobile Pro significantly improves the performance of multiple cellular and data devices simultaneously on any network experiencing a weak signal. The Mobile Pro can be easily carried and is designed for reliability and mobility, making it great for vehicles, hotels, and offices, creating an improved cellular signal wherever it's needed. The Wilson Electronics Mobile Pro Kit provides everything needed for simple installation and fits easily in a suitcase, briefcase, or purse. Installing the Mobile Pro in a building. Attach the suction cup window bracket to the inside of the window and place the magnet mount antenna on the bracket. Connect the magnet mount antenna to the amplifier. Place a Mobile Pro by your laptop so both your phone and data card receive improved signal. Power the amplifier by using the USB power cord and plugging it into a computer USB port or the standard AC adapter. Installing the Mobile Pro in a vehicle. Attach the magnet mount antenna to the roof of a metal-bodied vehicle. Connect the magnet mount antenna to the amplifier. Mount the amplifier to the dash or other area using the supplied mounting hardware. Power the amplifier by using the USB power cord and the DC adapter. Power up the amplifier and you're done. Now you're ready to enjoy a stronger cellular signal, typically up to 2 feet from the amplifier. With the combination of Wilson Electronics' proven signal booster solutions in a compact case, the Mobile Pro eliminates most dropped calls and poor data connections, allowing for more people to take advantage of improved cell signal performance anywhere they go. The Mobile Pro is designed for mobile or portable building application. For large area requirements, see the Wilson Electronics Building Booster line of products and say goodbye to drop calls.